Good morning, students. Today we will starting with the new chapter, that is the circles. Last class or the last chapter, I hope you understood all. Now we will starting a different chapter. That different chapter means from the geometry part we are starting. That is a circle. These are the terms you have already have done in the previous classes. AB is the diameter I have drawn over here, and OA and OB equals to d by 2. That is the radius. Then diameter, you find out 2 into radius, we know this one. OA and OB are the radius. XY is the chord. Chord is what? When a line is touching both the circumference of the circle, that means we can say this is a chord. Here written longest chord of a circle is the diameter. Now coming to arc. What is arc? You can say that PQ is the arc, and PQ is also the minor arc. Minor means smaller, and PRQ is the major arc. Okay, then from here see theorem. We are coming to the theorem directly. The straight line drawn from the center of a circle to bisect a chord which is not a diameter is perpendicular to the chord. We have to prove that one. Now see, here is given AB is the chord given, and OM bisect AB. Bisect means what? That means AM equals to MB. Then if this part is given, then we can definitely say that OM perpendicular to AB. Okay. Next, 14.2 converse of your 14.1 only given. The perpendicular to a chord from the center of the circle bisects the chord. That means what? Here AB is the chord given, but here it is given what? OM perpendicular to AB. Now definitely the opposite what will be? Definitely AM equals to MB. Okay. Next, 14.3 equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. If the chords are equal, then definitely they will be equal distance from the center. Next see, AB and CD are chords of a circle with center O. I have written. Then definitely AB equals to CD. Now then AB and CD are equidistant from O. If OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD, then OM equals to ON. That means what? If the chords are equal and ON perpendicular to OB, then definitely we will say that OM equals to ON. When will you write down this one? When both the chords are given equal. Next, chords of a circle. 14.4 chords of a circle that are equidistant from the center of the circle are equal. That means the converse. This is the converse of this one only. Now from here see, AB and CD are chords of a circle given. Here also given chords are. These are the chords. Now they are not equal. They have given their chords with center O. Now OM perpendicular to AB, and ON perpendicular to CD. Then definitely we can say that OM given what? OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD, and OM equals to ON. Then from here AB equals to CD we can write down. AB equals to CD we can easily write it down. That means AB chord equals to CD chord. When it will be? When these distances are given equal here. Okay, I have taken one example. See what is written, that a chord of a length 16 cm is drawn to a circle of diameter 20 cm. Calculate its distance from the center of the circle. Here I have drawn a circle. Now it is told diameter told. Diameter means what? If I draw OA is the radius, and if I make it over here, then this from here to here will be the diameter. This will be the 20. Now from here they have given chord is also given how much? 16. Given 16. Now radius of the circle, what do we know? The half of the diameter, we have find out 10 centimeter here. Then from here, OM perpendicular to AB, we know that OM perpendicular to AB given, and AB is bisected at M. If it is bisected, that means what we can say, AM equals to AB, MB. Then what is in AM equals to half of AB, that is half of 16 equals to 8 centimeter. Now from here we have to find out what this side means OM. See, this triangle is a right angle triangle, and we have done the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we have find out the value of OM. See, OM equals to 6 centimeter cube. Okay, I hope you have understood these theorems, all these theorems what you have made you understand. If you want to see the videos 1 or 2, 3 times, you can repeat your videos many times, how much you want. Okay, till date, have a nice day. Goodbye.